What if I told you you didn't even need a video editor anymore these days? All you need is Claude Code, a Codex, or some type of coding agent that you can actually code video in either HTML or Remotion. So I'm going to put these two side by side today. So here is HyperFrames right here. And here we got Remotion. So I actually did a comparison side by side with Claude Code to see which one's better. So now we're going to get right into it, and we'll check out HyperFrames first. And let me know down in the comments what you think is better. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to start the HyperFrames demo. Okay, let's hit play. You'll start from the beginning. Alright, there we go. So far, HyperFrames is pretty good. I'm sure I could switch the prompt up a little bit more and make the colors a little bit better, but so far it's looking pretty good. So you can actually make this a B-roll into your video, or you can put yourself side by side with it, and then you can actually use FFmpeg to then help you edit these things with a agentic coder, such as Codex, Claude Code, Gemini, local AI stuff. I mean, literally sky's the limit, and the only thing Remotion demo right here. So, and then I'll play them back and side to side, so that way you guys can decide which one you like better, or which one to incorporate into your workflow. Alright, so here's the Remotion one. So far, I'm liking it a little bit better. It seems a little cooler, a little bit more interactive, but let me know. So I think it definitely is a little better here, but I think if you combine the two, use HyperFrames for what it's good at, and Remotion for what it's good at, then the combination of them definitely is the way to roll here. The GitHubs now, and the GitHubs are, here we go. Alright, so this is Remotion right here. So this is the single command that you need to do, and all you gotta do is copy it. So this is the actual Remotion GitHub. So I can put these links in the description if you guys want. Go find them there for easy access. So there is MIT license, so it is open source. You can use them commercially, but there's a caveat to that, so make sure to read the documentation if you want to know the limits there. So this is the GitHub for Remotion, like I said. Now this is the HyperFrames HeyGen right here. So that's the GitHub, and this one's very easy. It gives you a quick start right here. All you have to do is install the skills right here and describe the video that you want. Very simple. Just copy it, tell Claude Code, tell Codex, tell Spark to get it down, clone the repo, and then just start experimenting with it. Give it great prompts. You know, and then let me know which one you guys like better. And if you want me to back over here to Codex as well on the app, so this is actually how I generated these thumbnails for the video as well. So they're actually pretty good. HTML runs video, or AI edits HTML, or code to MP4. These are the three that I'm going to decide on. I guess you'll see once I upload the video. But essentially, we're going to put these two side by side. So now that you can see the videos playing at the same time. Like I said, you guys let me know which one you think is the best. Here we go. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to play them both at the same time, side by side. So that way we can actually see how interactive it is. See, I like that little skit here, and I like how the actual screen lights up. See, these are pretty good too, but I like how the Remotion seems to be a little more interactive and a little bit more visually appealing. Just side by side like this. So this is truly the good workflow here. And let's see, you can also make short form stuff with this as well, and I've been actually experimenting with that a little more as well. So let's see, we'll go to right here. Yes, this is my newest short. You can tell me what you guys think of it down in the comments as well. Alright, so I like this really clean setup with Remotion here. That was cool. There's a couple little errors here, but then I can actually put my creator take, or me, right here in the bottom, so that way as I'm talking and I can describe the Claude Code routines instead of doing like a simple tutorial video like this. Maybe you can actually learn a little bit better from a video like that. Or some people like the actual tutorials. I like a mix of both. Sometimes I want to see, the actual breakdown is really nice to show you how, but then it's also nice to see, like, just to get some other knowledge before you go and do it yourself, before you go into a tutorial, so that way you actually know what they're talking about if you don't know, the /fire commands or any of that. So then when you watch a tutorial, it actually come together a little more. So let me know what you guys like the best. It's going to be a short little video today, just a comparison of HyperFrames versus Remotion. So I'll see you guys in the next video.